Welcome to the channel and let's start for today. Adjust your speed according to the road condition.
Idiot!
Is it hard to look at the road ahead?
Oh my god, watch out! Oh my god, that person's dead.
Make a good assessment before you turn. I don't have really actually.
Oh, so you have this.
You're the ones where you can like press
I
a little
told you, I
button.
have
Are you serious?
Some clarity in the next, in the next week before they reach
This couldn't be avoided.
some pretty tricky overall mechanics to become CAP compliant and
Try to avoid the accident, but not head on directly into the other car. Just respect traffic light.
Oh my god, I just saw someone got into a huge accident. Oh, I hope I recorded that on my camera. No freaking way.
You should be predictable and watch cars around you.
that's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
What a horrible dad. Come here, son. Let's shoot.
Pay attention to the cars around you. Very simple.
Oh, dang. Oh, it was just a terrible car accident right in front of me. Oh, no.
Yeah, it wasn't. I mean, Florida in January.
Oh my god. This is the first time I've ever seen a crash IRL. Exactly the same.
The following two clips shows that you need to adjust the steering wheel movements to the speed at which you are moving.
Damn, look at this shit, man. Oh my god, stop.
Oh,
Fuck, man.
oh.
doing? What about